Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Wallpaper Engine run smoother. The first thing I want you to do is open up the Wallpaper Engine app and then come here to the top right and click on Settings. Now this will open up the options, and now what I want you to do is scroll down here, make sure you are on the Performance tab, and here under Quality you want to go ahead and change these. So as you can see, a high FPS slows down your PC, also post-processing also does the same. So I want you to reduce these according to your PC. You can also use their presets as well. What I suggest is you keep FPS between 50 to 30, and if your monitor itself does not support, for example, 60 FPS, there's no reason for you to have that. This one you can change this to none. You can also change post processing to enabled, but not ultra. Texture resolution, we'll just go ahead and keep this one at high quality. Shadows, we will have this at medium. Volumetric lighting also at medium. And reflections, you can keep it on if you want, and then you can click on OK. And that would actually save your changes. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.